What for the high wind warning? The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oklahoma City to New Wayne, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include eastern Oklahoma City, eastern Norman, southeastern Edmond, Midwest City, Shawnee, Seminole, Tecumseh, Purcell, Holdenville, Chandler, Choctaw, Noble, Harrah, Slaughterville, McLeod, Wewoka, Jones, Stroud, Tacoma Park, and Prague. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across central and southern Oklahoma. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.